everybody, today I'm going to show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First you need to make the right face. Let's move this real quick. Right face is you need to make the white cross first. So we need this. The cross will be down, so we do this. Now we have the first one there. Next we have to flick this a piece here. Now flick that real quick. That's flicked. We need this to be here. We do this algorithm, do this, but now we have 3. One, do the last one, do it. There. Go. Now we're gonna put this right here. Do this. Like that. Again, it's slow motion. If you need this to be here, do this. Do it again. But then you have white face, and now we need to spin. Now we need to make the middle layer. This piece gotta be here, so we're gonna spin like this. Do this algorithm. Do it again. Here. Do it again. Do it again. But if you needed to go over here, do this. If you needed to go here, you need to go here, just do this. And again in slow motion. One piece left. So here now we do it again. Now we're done with the middle layer. Next, we have to make the yellow cross. We need this piece to be here. Do this after them. Again, this slow motion. Now, get a white cross. And next, we have to line up all the pieces. We need to find a one that is only only solved, the rest shouldn't be solved. If the rest is solved, that's not good. You just spin again, and now there's one. And then do this algorithm. Do this. Up. This. Down. Again in slow motion. Now we'll line up all the pieces. Next we need the corner pieces in the right place. You need the only one to be in the right place, like this one. Do this algorithm. This algorithm is so easy. Even notice this algorithm. Again, a slow motion. You'll have always three have do the same algorithm from step 1. And then F. Then do the algorithm and do F. Keep doing it. Again, it's slow motion. And F again. Last one. Do slow motion. Then we have a line of right. You have the right face. We spin 2 times. Here we go. That's how you solve a basic 3x3. Bye bye.